Did you know that connecting with your ancestors can bring not only healing but also powerful guidance into your life? In this video, we are going to explore 5 meaningful ways to honor your ancestors and strengthen your bond between you and the ancestors in your life. Welcome back, beautiful souls, to my channel. I am Sanskriti Sethi, and today we are going to deep dwell into the ancient yet timeless practice of honoring our ancestors. Whether you realize it or not, our ancestors play a huge role in our spiritual journey, and I am the biggest witness in the world. They guide us, protect us, and their energy influences our path in life. But how do we connect with them in a meaningful way? In this video, we will go over 5 powerful and spiritual methods to honor our ancestors and bring their wisdom and blessing into our life. Let's get started. Number 1, create an ancestral altar. I cannot tell you how much I love doing that. You must also try. The first and the most traditional way of honoring your ancestors is to create an altar dedicated to them. The sacred space can be as simple and elaborate as you want it to be. Place photos, objects that remind you of them or their symbols and their cultures, the candles, the incense sticks, the flowers as offering. An altar serves as a direct link to the energy where you can meditate, pray, and just sit quietly and feel their presence. It's a powerful practice to ground their influence in your day-to-day life. You should do it, especially at the time of Shraddh, to have the best results. Number 2, offer food, drinks. In many cultures, offering food and drink is a sign of respect and remembrance. On special days like birthdays, holidays, especially during Shraddh, anniversaries, prepare meals that your ancestors enjoy and leave a portion of it in your altar or a quiet place in house. Even a glass of water, tea, in some cultures even wine is left as an offering, is a way to express gratitude and invite their blessings. Number 3, carry out rituals and ceremonies. I am so close with rituals and ceremonies for last 10 years. I've shared so much about it on Instagram. Do follow me there also. Another powerful way to honor your ancestors is by performing rituals and ceremonies. These can be as simple as lighting a candle and saying a prayer that you feel, which is not complex, and just to honor them, just to remember them. Some people even do a yearly ancestral meditation, ancestral clearance. Even people come to me for ancestral clearance every time and then when they feel that they are blocked and they need their ancestors for their journey ahead, where they ask for guidance and offer love. Rituals are a reminder of the spiritual connection that exists beyond this lifetime. Number 4, heal your ancestral wounds. One of the most important ways to honor our ancestors is by healing the wounds, by honoring their wounds and understanding that this was the best that they can do at that point of time. Many of us carry generational traumas, pain, unresolved issues passed down through our family lines. By working to heal these wounds, whether through therapy, spiritual practices, ancestral clearing, deep inner work, shadow work, so much more, we honor our ancestors by not allowing their sufferings to continue through us. Healing ourselves is a gift to them and it frees future generations from carrying that burden, and this starts with you. Book your ancestral reading and healing today. You can hop onto our website www.sanskritisethi.com or connect with my team on +91 9634 003939. Now, number 5, live with integrity and purpose. Finally, the best way to honor your ancestors is living with integrity and purpose. Reflect on the sacrifices your ancestors have made, the struggles they have endured, the legacy they have left behind. It is not only about the traumas that you receive from them, but there are many, many blessings that you have because of your ancestors only. How can you live a life that reflects their value and make them proud? Whether it's carrying on their traditions, contributing to your community, or simply being the best version of yourself, you honor them by living a life of meaningful and full of gratitude. Honoring our ancestors isn't just about looking back, it's also about bringing their wisdom into the present and carrying their love forward into the future generations. So whether you are creating an altar, offering your food, or simply reflecting on their legacy, their practice can help you deepen your connection to those who came before you. If you found this video helpful, let me know how you plan to honor your ancestors this time in the comment section below. Don't forget to give like to this video so that you subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next video coming. I generally make my videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday for all of you. And if you'll demand more in future, I can put more videos, but for that I need your love, and please show your love in the comment section. And as always, thank you for being there into my soul family, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and see you soon.